Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted Snapchat photos. You might think that Snapchat photos will be automatically lost from your device permanently, but of course not. In fact, your Snapchat may still exist. It may be hidden in the cache of your phone or computer. If you don't find your Snapchat photos or accidentally delete them permanently, here are steps to learn how to get Snapchat pictures back. The first way, recover Snapchat pictures via submitting requests to Snapchat. The first thing you can do is submit a request to Snapchat to download account data. Once successfully, you can access and download all your Snapchat data within 24 hours and recover deleted Snapchat photos and videos. Step 1. Open the Snapchat. Tap the avatar icon and select Settings. Swipe the screen and find the My Data option. Click on it and enter your Snapchat username and password. Now, click Submit Request button at the bottom of the Download My Data page. Once your account data request has been successfully submitted, you will need to wait for Snapchat to send you an email which will include a download link. Click the link to download the data to your device, and please complete the download within 24 hours. Note, there is a limit to the number of times a user can request to download Snapchat data per day, and all data needs to be downloaded together, and you may need to spend a long time receiving downloads. The second option, from recently deleted album. Your Snapchat photos may have been stored in a local album, and if they are deleted, you can try to find them in the recent deleted album, where deleted photos and videos will remain for 30 days. Here are the specific steps on how to get deleted photos from Snapchat. Open the Photos app on your phone and tap Album in the lower right corner, or tap on the three lines and select Trash and tap on Edit. Then, view the photos and videos. Select the Snapchat photos you need to recover and click Recover. Another option, recover deleted Snapchat pictures from memory. Fourth option, recover deleted Snapchat photos with iCloud. And fifth option, recover deleted Snapchat photos with iTunes Backup. Another option, recover lost Snapchat pictures with Data Recovery Tool. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.